Here's how I get into Padma Mayurasana, or Lotus Peacock. Start in Lotus, one foot to the inner hip crease. Bottom foot wiggles forward enough to lean and bring the knee down. Grab the foot, hoist it up over the knee, and then put that foot snug into the hip crease. And then you're in Padmasana, Lotus pose. From there, you're going to rock forward onto the knees. Maybe lift the knees first to get some momentum. Rock forward onto the knees, push up with your hands, and go to like a lotus tabletop position. Once I get here, what I usually end up doing is wiggling my knees closer together so the lotus is a little tighter. And then you turn your hands so that the fingers face the knees, and you go clockwise with the right hand, counterclockwise with the left. And the hands go pretty close together. Your elbows, you want them to be real close together. So it looks like this, close. That's the arm position. Okay, when you're ready, hands are close together, elbows press in toward each other and against the stomach as you lean forward, and then lift the legs when you're ready. If you're lucky, everything cracks.